In this video, we will look at the top 5 best kitchen faucets available in the market today. We made this list after interviewing professional artists, research and testing, and based on customer reviews. We have considered their product quality features and values by narrowing down the top choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, check these links in the description box below. Number 5. Kraus Commercial Kitchen Faucet. If you're looking for a commercial-style faucet that's ideal for home use, take a look at the Kraus KPF 1610S. It looks just like what you'd see in the kitchen of your favorite restaurant, only at 18 inches high. It fits underneath most kitchen cabinets. Plus, it's available in 5 different finishes, so you can find one that's just right for your decor. The dual-function sprayer has a splash-free aerated setting as well as a powerful pre-rinse spray that you can toggle at the flip of a switch. Plus, there's a 20-inch long retractable hose that gives you the reach you need to complete your chores quickly and easily. The ceramic cartridge is one of the best in the industry and provides drip-free use over the lifetime of the faucet. To make installation as smooth as possible, this faucet comes with pre-attached 22-inch water lines as well as all the mounting hardware you need. One downside is that it doesn't include a deck plate, so you're somewhat limited to single-hole installation. But because the single handle operates with a 90-degree forward rotation, it is great for small spaces. Cleaning is easy too. The soft silicone nozzles are really easy to clean. Simply wipe them clean with your finger or a cloth. You don't have to worry about mineral or limescale buildup blocking the flow, making this a great choice for hard water. One word of warning is that the gooseneck angle causes the nozzle to sit really low. If not positioned correctly, it's pretty easy for water to splash out of the sink. Still, one of the best things about this product is a limited lifetime warranty. Kraus seemingly stands behind the quality of their products. Number 4. Moen One-Handle Kitchen Faucet. The Moen 7594 SRS Arbor is among the best kitchen sink faucets with a simple yet sophisticated design that will integrate well into most kitchen decors. But it's not just the design that's worthy of praise. Boasting a spot-resistant finish, this kitchen faucet is suitable for a busy kitchen. Even if you touch it with your sauce-stained hands or oily fingers, the faucet won't retain fingerprints. Simply wipe off the mess with a paper towel to get the faucet sparkly clean. As for the water flow, the faucet uses Power Boost technology to ensure faster cleaning. Like most other Moen faucets, this one also has a reflex system. Thus, the spray head retracts back into its place to facilitate a smooth operation. It comes with an escutcheon, so you can install the faucet in a 1- or 3-hole sink yourself. Again, Moen comes through with its lifetime warranty, giving the customers peace of mind. Number 3. Weave Single-Handle Kitchen Faucet. Typically, lower-priced faucets look nice on the surface, but skimp on components behind the scenes. The Weave Single-Handle Faucet is surprisingly robust, with braided supply lines for durability, an ABS plastic aerator. Think of the tough plastic used to make Lego bricks, and ceramic disc valves. When it comes to functionality, the Weave Single-Handle High Arc provides a pull-down spray head with a variety of stream settings. I was most impressed with the spray head's water pause button, which allows you to temporarily stop the flow of water, though you do have to continuously hold down the button. The brushed nickel finish is relatively easy to keep clean with just a soft cloth and soapy water. Plus, its matte finish disguises water spots and fingerprints better than a glossy, polished finish. Just avoid using abrasive cleaning pads and ammonia-based cleaners. Installation is simple and should be doable for anyone willing to crawl under their sink and spend 30 minutes down there. You're not getting the quick connect technology that pricier models have, so you'll be tightening the supply lines the old-fashioned way with your fingers and a couple of wrenches. The main downside is that zinc alloy parts are less durable than stainless steel, but that's likely a trade-off for the low price. That said, it still has the reliability and quality construction to make it a worthwhile choice. Number 2. Olufsen Kitchen Faucets. For a best commercial-grade kitchen faucet, the Olufsen pull-down faucet will not disappoint. This matte black beauty is made of thick, corrosion-resistant, and highly durable solid brass, and measures 16 inches in height, making it ideal for virtually any kitchen cabinet. Its flexible sprinklers give you the full 360-degree full range of motion, allowing you to easily reach every corner of your sink. The nozzle is specially designed to work with any single or double bowls. We particularly like the stream and spray settings that come with it. The spray holes effectively filter out any mineral residue and debris, which you can easily wipe away to get an instant refresh look. If you want to switch from spray to stream, The multi-flow 2-function spray wand allows you to do just that. This faucet is built using high-quality components, including a long-lasting ceramic cartridge that's easy to install and virtually maintenance-free. Number 1. Delta ESA Brushed Kitchen Faucet. The Delta Faucet ESA has a smooth, modern design that's available in 4 different finishes. Patented diamond seal technology helps keep it leak-free for twice as long as the industry standard. Cleaning this faucet is really easy. The Touch Clean Spray Hose Wipe cleans so there's no need to worry about harsh cleaners to remove calcium and lime buildup. The sprayer uses magnetic docking that won't droop over time and easily adjusts from spray to stream. It even remembers what setting you used last when you next turn it on. Plus, the high arc spout provides enough clearance for cleaning large pots and pans and easily filling tall vases and pitchers. One downside is the spout reach, which is about 9.3 inches. If you have a small sink, the water will come out very close to the front and cause a lot of splashing. This faucet was designed to fit a 1 or 3-hole configuration and comes with everything you need, including a deck plate for 3-hole installation. Plus, InnoFlex PX supply lines are integrated right into the faucet, which helps prevent leaking. That's not all. The diamond seal valve features a diamond-embedded ceramic disc, doesn't require lubrication, and eliminates wear on seals.